Okay, we're on the second portion of the production warehouse area, and this is a smooth built-up roof, smooth modified over built-up roofing, and it's got its own set of problems. We look at the wrinkling over here on the perimeter flashing. You can see there's some problems here. What looks like happened is this roof, all the expansion and contraction in this roof was felt in this corner for some reason. This membrane just got as if this corner was pulling this way, and everything just went with it. And that happens from thermal change. The modified membrane becomes a single membrane, and if it separates from the substrate, it can move like this. But you can see the result of it is a lot of open flashings and compromised areas. This is a non-existent pitch pocket. That's just a bunch of cables that are shoved through a hole and someone threw some mastic around it. That's wide open. And you got 3 smoke hatches on this roof. And here's a blister. Just walked over a blister here, separating from the substrate. You got 3 smoke hatches on this roof. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And this smoke hatch has got some of that old coping on top of it, so this would never open in case of a fire. I guess the fusible link inside might have failed, and they popped open, and instead of fixing the hatch, they just threw the stone on it to keep it closed. So that's a problem. And now here in the middle, you got a seam where the sheets all end at the same line, and there's been some cracking on this. You can see it's been repaired in the past. It's got some roof cement and fabric right here over top. And it stopped up in here somewhere. And you can see where it stopped. The sheets are still cracking open. So this is something that's been going on for a while on this line. Some more of that stress movement we're talking about. It's not unusual to see this, really. That's whenever you end sheets like this, where all these sheets end on the same line right here, they're all coming to an end right here. You really need to straddle that line with another perpendicular sheet to take some of the strain off of that part of the roof. And here's another area that's just like that, but it's holding up, and you can almost see this area is holding up because it looks like they did a better job heat welding in here. You can see the ooze coming out of the joint right here. You can see it's much more defined as flowing all along. There's plenty of signs of a good flow out there. So this side of the this area of that kind of a designed common end to a sheet is holding up. Then you got an expansion joint up here that is cracking at the bottom flange. You can see this expansion joint is open right here, and that needs to be cleaned out and sealed so that it isn't susceptible to holding water and freezing some more and cracking some more, and it's just a degenerative cycle at this point.